Had like 3 tattoos and I got locked. Tattoos and I got locked, now I'm blasting. Like 3 tattoos and I got locked, now I'm blasting. Gotta make some good rest on my mattress. Gassing.
This is Las Vegas.
Aight.
Had like 3 tattoos and I got locked, now I'm blasting. Massive, get that bitch some good rest on my mattress. Gassing, fuck these niggas hating, I'm a captain. Blast them, I be in the trenches with the max. I had like 3 tattoos and I got locked, now I'm blasting. Massive, get that bitch some good rest on my mattress. Gassing, fuck these niggas hating, I'm a captain. Blast them, I be in the trenches with the max. I be in the trenches smoking, chillin', homie. Pour some out for the niggas no longer living, homie. Ribbon, homie, don't play with your life, these niggas fidgets, homie. Get it, homie, God give you one life, you better live it, homie. I got 3 tattoos at the prison yard and inked up. Met like 30 bitches on cell phones, promoting linked up. Usually got like 5 and 20, bro, get your drink up. Dropped up there, lay on his face like, bro, get your ink up. Taking all these niggas thick ones, call it lipo. Then I dog your whole